Display size. Google Pixel Fold is 7.6 inches and 5.8 inches. Asus ROG Phone 7 Ultimate is 6.78 inches. Display resolution. Google Pixel Fold is 1840 x 2208 pixels, with 378 ppi density, and 1080 x 2092 pixels, with 408 ppi density. Asus ROG Phone 7 Ultimate is 1080 x 2448 pixels, with 395 ppi density. Display type. Google Pixel Fold is foldable OLED. Asus ROG Phone 7 Ultimate is AMOLED. Display protector. Google Pixel Fold is Corning Gorilla Glass Victus. Asus ROG Phone 7 Ultimate is Corning Gorilla Glass Victus. Operating system. Google Pixel Fold is Android 13 upgradable. Asus ROG Phone 7 Ultimate is Android 13 upgradable. Chipset. Google Pixel Fold is Google Tensor G2. Asus ROG Phone 7 Ultimate is Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. Processor. Google Pixel Fold is octa-core processor. Asus ROG Phone 7 Ultimate is octa-core processor. GPU. Google Pixel Fold is Mali G710 MP7. Asus ROG Phone 7 Ultimate is Adreno 740. RAM. Google Pixel Fold is 12 GB. Asus ROG Phone 7 Ultimate is 16 GB. ROM. Google Pixel Fold is 256 GB and 512 GB. Asus ROG Phone 7 Ultimate is 512 GB. Front camera. Google Pixel Fold is 8MP wide-angle camera, with 1080p and 4K video recordings, and 9.5MP wide-angle camera, with 1080p and 4K video recordings. Asus ROG Phone 7 Ultimate is 32MP wide-angle camera, with 1080p video recordings. Back camera. Google Pixel Fold is 48MP wide, 10.8MP telephoto, and 10.8MP ultra-wide camera, with 1080p and 4K video recordings. Asus ROG Phone 7 Ultimate is 50MP wide, 13MP ultra-wide, and 5MP macro camera, with 720p, 1080p, 4K, and 8K video recordings. Connectivity. Google Pixel Fold is GSM, CDMA, HSPA, EVDO, LTE, and 5G. Asus ROG Phone 7 Ultimate is GSM, CDMA, HSPA, LTE, and 5G. Battery. Google Pixel Fold is 4,821 mAh battery. Asus ROG Phone 7 Ultimate is 6,000 mAh battery, with 65W fast charging. Spec winner.